Hi guys, what's up? This is your boy J Marcus, the OG Mugababy. You already know. So today we're starting. This is the premiere, guys. This is the start of our cooking show. So since we're starting, I thought we should start by the way we start our day. Breakfast. So we need water first because I need to make sure that because I use powdered milk before I use the fresh milk. So and also I use cinnamon. I use cinnamon almost every day. But I don't use it a lot. I just like to use the flavor of the cinnamon. So I use the water and the powdered milk and the cinnamon so they can dissolve properly inside the water before I actually put the milk to make it a bit more creamy. So we're gonna start putting in the water. Just some water so that the powdered milk and the cinnamon can dissolve properly before we add the milk. Because it's a serving for 1 or 2 people, I'm probably gonna use 1 tablespoon of 1 or 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. Okay, so now I have to mix the milk. So now I know I have the base of the milk. And then also, so the cinnamon I just shake 1, 2. I don't want a lot of it, I just wanted to have a little bit taste of cinnamon. And I basically use cinnamon in almost everything I do. I'm gonna show you also when I make how I make my breakfast. You're gonna see how the cinnamon features. Yep. Okay, so now that I've put in the water and it has dissolved with the powdered milk and the cinnamon, it's now time for me to put the oats so that they can also get the flavor, and then we can get it on. So I usually use 1 of the scoop so that I can put it in, but I don't like a lot. Usually 1 is enough for me, you know. So now they're mixing with the cinnamon. Now it's gonna cook properly before I add the milk. Okay. Now that I've put in the oats, I'm gonna you can use in any order, either the peanut butter or the milk, but I'm just gonna use the milk because my oats are starting to get a bit dry because I don't put a lot of milk, I just put a lot of water, I just put a lot of water so that it can cook the oats proper thickness you like. So there's not really much measurement required, but according to the thickness that you prefer. That's how I do it. And then after that I put the peanut butter. So now I mix the milk and the oats with the peanut butter because I like peanut butter, plus also it's good for, I try to gym sometime, work out, I know the peanut butter is good for my body. So I just mix it, just stir it up like this so I make sure that the peanut butter is well distributed everywhere. Around like this. So at this point, that's when you really want to put the sugar in because now everything is cooked. So now you can put your sugar in and you're gonna see what it's gonna be. Thank you. Okay. So now we're now putting our sugar just to sweeten it up. I don't like a lot of sugar, but I like sugar. But I'm gonna just put in enough to just sweeten it. Sometimes I put honey, but not today. Like this. And then just keep on stirring so that the sugar blends. Don't put a lot of sugar because remember, this is you serve from the pot. You know, you don't put sugar in the plate. You serve from the pot. So like this now, you can see how it's properly cooking, you know, well cooked oats with peanut butter, cinnamon and milk. And then now the last piece, we usually add berries and bananas and whatnot. But today we don't have berries, so we're just gonna add bananas. Okay. Now that the porridge is properly cooked, I have to remove it from the heat. Okay, so I've got my banana socks and I'm cutting my bananas for my porridge. Don't necessarily need to make them too big or too small, just according to how you like your bites. I like my bites almost small, but not too big, not too small as well. So you can use the whole banana. Some people don't like a whole lot of banana in their porridge, but I prefer at least 1 banana, others 2, but I don't want my porridge to be too banana-y, if that's a word. So okay, take my plate, and then I put some of my bananas. And I'm gonna have to take my porridge Okay, now that I put my bananas like that, I have to put in my porridge now. I'll put the rest of my bananas on top. So if I had berries, I'm just gonna sprinkle some blueberries. I prefer blueberries because they taste better than strawberries, but also strawberries are healthy. You know, there's more vitamin C in strawberries than there is in any regular orange. But that's basically how I make my porridge, guys. In a nutshell, this is the Muga cereal in a nutshell. So thank you so much for joining. Voila. This is the Muga cereal, if you want to call it that. But yeah, I prefer oats over most things because they're good for, you know, working out and keeping a, you know, little belly, flat belly, if you want to say. So yeah, thank you so much.